Hi everyone, I'm Eng Dong Jia, MVP in Visual Studio and Development Technology. Today's topic is using R services with machine learning. Today's topic will cover overview of R and R server and using R with SQL Server. Let's start with overview of R and R server. Microsoft R client. R client is a free data science tool that contains scale R technology to enable high performance analytics with parallelization and remote computing. Our client is used to develop solutions that can be deployed to R services running on SQL Server or to R server running on Windows, Teradata or Hadoop to facilitate the lifecycle development process. The scale R function are implemented in reverse scale R package that is installed with R client and R server. R client is built on top of Microsoft R open so you can use any open source R package to build your analytics. Additionally, R client includes the powerful revoke scale R technology and its proprietary functions to benefit from parallelization and remote computing. R client is supported by community and is built on top of Microsoft R Open. To enable high performance analytics, you can use any open source R package to build your analytics. To promote a good software development cycle, you can work locally with production data on your laptop. By using the full set of scale R function as part of your testing process, you can also run your code remotely on R server to push the processing load onto the server. Let's go for second topic, using R with SQL Server. SQL Server Machine Learning Service. SQL Server Machine Learning Service is an embedded predictive analytic and data science engine that can execute R and Python code within a SQL Server database and store procedure as TSQL script containing R or Python statement or as R or Python code containing TSQL. The key value proposition of machine learning services is the power of a proprietary package to deliver advanced analytics at scale and the ability to bring calculation and processing where the data resides, eliminating the need to pull data across the network. There are two options for using machine learning capability in SQL Server. SQL Server machine learning services in database operate within the database engine instance, where the calculation engine is fully integrated with the database engine. How about this? Most installations are this option. Yes, SQL Server Machine Learning Server standalone is the machine learning server for Windows that run independently of the database engine. Although you use SQL Server setup to install the server, the feature is not install aware. Functionally, it is equivalent to the non-SQL Server Microsoft Machine Learning Server for Windows. Here is the brief of the introduction, brief of the using R services with machine learning without any demo for this presentation. Here is the resources that you can refer to the point Microsoft Doc, and need thank you Ashley McNamara for the pictures. Here is the last topic of the machine learning. Thank you. Please subscribe my YouTube and read all the articles that I wrote in my blog. And here is my Twitter @WalkerCET.